Start simple. If you buy smart here, these same tools will follow you for years. Screwdrivers. Grab a couple of flatheads and Phillips in common sizes. If your wrists complain, try a ratcheting driver. Wrenches and sockets. Get a small set of combination wrenches and a 3/8-inch socket set. That's the backbone of every garage. SAE and metric, both. You'll use each more than you think. Pliers. 3 kinds cover almost everything. Slip joint, needle nose, and locking pliers. Between them, you can grip, bend, twist, and hold nearly anything. Hammer. A 16 or 20-ounce claw hammer with a fiberglass handle is your workhorse. Nothing fancy, just balanced and comfortable. Tape measure, level, utility knife. You'll use that knife daily, the tape hourly, and the level anytime good enough suddenly isn't. Expand your beginner tool set. If there's a few dollars left in the budget, add an adjustable wrench, a hex key Allen set, a small hacksaw or handsaw, a square for marking cuts. You don't have to buy them all at once. Let your projects tell you when you need them. Needs versus wants in your tool buying guide. Here's the classic beginner trap. Buying cool gear just because it looks pro. You don't need a rotary hammer drill to hang a picture frame, and you don't need jeweler's screwdrivers unless you're fixing watches. Let your work guide your spending. Start building, hit a wall, then buy the tool that solves the problem. That way, every tool in your shop earns its place. Professional versus homeowner tools. What's worth it? You don't always need professional-grade everything. Snap-on, Matco, and Mac make incredible gear for mechanics who use it 8 hours a day. Most home shops will never push tools that hard. Today, plenty of mid-range brands deliver pro-level performance without the price tag. Craftsman, Gear Wrench, Husky, Cobalt, Tecton, and Harbor Freight's Icon line all offer lifetime warranty hand tools that can take real abuse. For power tools, choose by how often you'll use them. Makita, DeWalt, and Milwaukee each have pro and homeowner tiers. If you're using it once a week, the mid-tier line will last for years. Rule of thumb? Use it every day, buy once, cry once. Use it once a month. Don't over-invest. Spend where it counts, on tools that cut, grip, or spin. Save on the ones that just hold, measure, or mark. The tools already exist. Reuse culture and tool inheritance. Every single day, between 7 and 10,000 boomers pass away. That generation grew up fixing things: cars, homes, barns, machinery. Their garages are full of tools that outlived their owners. Those tools don't need to be melted down or thrown away. They just need new hands. You don't have to start from scratch. There are more quality tools in circulation right now than at any point in history. Flea markets, pawn shops, estate sales, Facebook Marketplace, they're overflowing with solid, lifetime warranty gear waiting for another project. Buying used or inheriting a set doesn't just save money, it carries a story. A well-used wrench or a scarred hammer connects you to the people who built before you. Reuse isn't just frugality, it's respect for craft, for history, and for the generations that made this possible. If you do inherit tools, take care of them, clean them, oil them, store them right. Tools deserve the same respect you give your workbench. Organizing your beginner tool set. Whatever you collect, keep it organized. Even a small toolbox or bin system saves time. Put tools back where they live every time, and you'll never waste 10 minutes hunting that one screwdriver again. Start simple. A plastic tote, a small drawer set, or an organizer tray. As your collection grows, so will your system. The key is habit, not hardware. Perspective from the bench. Building a dream garage workshop doesn't mean spending a fortune. It means understanding what you're trying to do, buying tools that match the mission, and growing over time. The best shops aren't filled with shiny matched sets. They're filled with tools that tell a story, ones that have seen mistakes, fixes, and triumphs. Each scratch and dent says, someone built something here. So skip the shiny 200-piece kits. Start small. Buy smart. Reuse what's already out there. Let your projects guide your collection. And let your collection tell your story. This episode of Maker Garage 101 is your beginner's tool buying guide. Everything you need to start your DIY workshop setup without wasting a dime. I'm Sparky. Thanks for hanging out. Now let's get building. Sparky out.